This is what I'd like to call George when he's sleeping. Hey George, wake up. George, wake up. What are you doing?
Kicker.
Do you like my feet right here? You wanna fight?
Oh God, I got so many burns when you were looking.
What the hell? What are you talking about, dude?
Oh shit.
No, you're not going. You're not going to sleep, dude.
Okay.
This is what we're gonna try. Drumstick. Smell it.
No.
Smell it.
No.
Smells like your butt. Are you trying to sleep?
Yeah.
Too bad. I'm bored.